What's going on, folks? Brian here. Gonna do something a little different today. Today I'm gonna be upgrading the RAM in my X555LAB. It's an ASUS. Came installed with 4 gig of RAM back in 2015 when I bought it. I got it for like $350 at Best Buy with a coupon. It's been a great little laptop, but Windows 10 just uses too much memory, and me going back to school, you know, I got programs I gotta write. I just can't do it anymore. It just can't handle only 4 gig of RAM. I mean, the thing is a beast. It's got a 1 terabyte hard drive. It's got an i3 processor. It's not a bad little guy. You know, it's not, it just needs more RAM. So what I did is I jumped on Amazon, got me some Patriot, made in America, not in China. This right here is DDR3, running at 1600 megahertz. And it's a 4 gigabyte module. So instantly doubling my gigabytes. And it should improve performance. Whoa, jump cut. All right, folks. All you're gonna need is a little screwdriver, some RAM, and opening up that little memory closet door. I don't know what you call that thing. I don't know, it's a door. But we're gonna use a screwdriver to get it done. A little tip for you guys. Try not to break the screw. Try not to strip it, because you don't really need to do much to get these screws out. So it's already out. See that? You don't want to lose it either. So put it somewhere safe. And then grab a flat screwdriver. Just pop it up, kid. Just pop it up. Oh, yeah! So this particular laptop here comes with 4 gigabytes, as I said, soldered to the board. There's only one memory upgrade slot. And I've been told it can support up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, but the Patriot was only 20 bucks, brah. 20 bucks. So for 20 bucks, I'll keep this laptop around a little longer. Stay tuned. One thing I did forget to mention, folks, before you even attempt this, please shut down your PC properly. I didn't. And I remembered the PC was still running. You always want to do that. Oh, yeah. All right, folks, there's nothing easier. Look, you just take this, match up the slot. Oh, hold on. I'm trying to record this and do this at the same time. Go ahead. Line. Hold on, folks. Hold on. Line up the slot, put it in, then snap it down. Bam! Just like that. I put it in, I smacked it down. Real gentle, though. All right, putting back the cover. Pretty easy. Just put back the cover, put the screw back on. Bob's your uncle. All right, so I'm back. I put the cover back on, screwed in the little screw, booted up the machine. Now, this is a good sign. If the computer doesn't boot up, could be you had a bad RAM module. So if you're having issues with the RAM, try to take it out, put it back in, and then restart it. If it doesn't start, then you have bad RAM. Stay tuned. Oh, yeah. What's that say, folks? It says 8.0 gigabytes. 8.0 gigabytes. What's going on, folks? I'm back. I just wanted to show you my setup. This is a 50-inch sharp 1080p television. Bought it at Best Buy on Black Friday for $199, if you believe that, back in like 2017. I ended up getting a 4K display a couple of years ago, and so I put this upstairs into the bedroom on a nice mount here. I mean, that's just ballin' right there, you know. I ain't messing around. I even got a Roku on here, $18 Roku or Roku. Got that Black Friday Walmart a couple of years ago, 18 bucks. But enough about that. Let's just take a look at the computer here. see, so Control, Alt, Delete. Go to my Task Manager. Okay, Task Manager. Woo! Look at the memory, dude. Look at the memory. Bruh. Back in the day, that was going to be 60, 70% full. All day. Right now, it's saying 28%. And that's pretty awesome. If I go to Performance, you can see got 8 gigs of memory. 5.6 gig free. I'm telling you right now, folks, if you want to put a little life back into your laptops, like I got everything on. I got everything on this laptop, guys. I mean, I got years and years of photos, decades of photos, and I don't want to lose them. So instead of spending $300, $400, $500 on a new laptop, $20. Patriots. Patriot RAM, made in America, not China. Merc. So, pretty amazing. Took about 3 minutes. The first boot up, I didn't mention this, the first boot up is always going to be the longest boot up. Your BIOS, your CMOS, they're going to go in there, they're going to get the RAM, what's the word I'm looking for? Configured. And then Windows is going to be, the first time is going to be slower because it's got new RAM, it's making new channels, new pathways. But that's it, folks. Bottom line, I'm teleworking like a champ now. You know? I'm working on school like a champ. You can't beat this setup. I mean, I can lounge here, get work done. I get it done, son. Anyways, I'm ballin'.